I first removed the old window. Okay, all the nuts have now been removed. I'm going to push the screws out and then we'll remove the window. There we are. Window is released. You can see the old tape there. Just going to take this one out now, clean it up. We'll clean the surround up, ready to fit the new one. Here it is on the outside. I'm just going to clean that up with some 3M surface cleaner. Okay, all nice and clean now. Previous window, the SCAPA tape was stuck to the perspex, but this time I'm going to stick it onto the hull side, or this the deck pod side, which is now recommended because it stops the UV getting at the glue, which can run. This one was okay, just cleaned up any residue with the cleaner. All these holes are been epoxied, so there's no water can ingress into the plywood. But now I'm ready to mark out the new window to remove the masking from the edge. So I'm going to spray the edge black to hide the tape underneath. Window just put in place. I'm going to check all the screws, make sure the holes line up. The template is good, all the holes lining up perfectly. So now ready to remove the masking from the inside where I'm going to spray. So I'm going to run a craft knife around that just to get the cut ready to peel off the masking. Now I'm just going to run this blade lightly all around the window, ready to remove the outer edge of the masking. I'm going to peel off the edge of the masking, ready for spraying. So that's the edge masking removed. Give that a light rub down and spray it black. Just rub the edges down this Scotch Brite pad to give it a key. Done that all along. Going to clean it with some alcohol and spray it. Right there, I've just sprayed it with very high temperature black paint. I've also used on other ones a Rust-Oleum's all-purpose matte black paint. We'll see which one's better, if either makes any difference. The hull windows are done. Just finishing off the pod windows now. So I'm putting the SCAPA tape now onto the side of the deck pod. Now I'm going to remove the paper covering where it goes around the corner, and I'll be able to then bend the SCAPA tape around that corner, being careful not to stretch it as I go. But now the tape is all on, you just need to cut a staggered joint and get the two bits joining up at the bottom. Now we're going to take off the masking from the window, ready to fit it. Just peel this away. I've punched two holes in the top of the SCAPA tape just to get two screws in to hold the window in position. The window's now in place, held with 4 screws each corner. I've put nuts on the inside but no washers, so I know which ones are the locators. I'll now put a little bit of mastic, some black Sikaflex into each hole to fill the hole when the screws go in, and then put all the screws and nuts on, and that window will be done once it's cleaned up. I've now put a little dab of Sikaflex, black Sikaflex in each of the holes. I'm going to put the screws in. Right, screws are all in now with the mastic, and now they need tightening up. And that's the finished window.